As welcome back to Autoland channel. Today we're diving into the world of automotive legends to explore the all-new 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. This iconic vehicle has been reimagined for the modern era, blending classic design elements with cutting-edge technology. Join us as we journey through its rich history, examine its contemporary features, and discuss what makes this car a standout in today's market. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. The Volkswagen Karmann Ghia's story begins in the early 1950s. Wilhelm Karmann, owner of the German coach-building company Karmann, sought to create a stylish coupe based on the Volkswagen Beetle's reliable platform. Collaborating with the Italian design firm Carrozzeria Ghia, they unveiled the first Karmann Ghia prototype in 1953. The car combined the Beetle's dependable mechanics with Ghia's sleek design, leading to its official debut in 1955. Over the next 2 decades, the Karmann Ghia evolved, with production continuing until 1974 in Europe and 1975 in Brazil. Its timeless design and accessible price points cemented its status as a beloved classic. Fast forward to 2026, and Volkswagen has resurrected the Karmann Ghia, honoring its heritage while infusing modern advancements. The new model retains the original's graceful curves and low profile, but incorporates contemporary touches. The front fascia features LED headlights that echo the classic round design, and the iconic chrome accents have been tastefully updated. The car's aerodynamic silhouette not only pays homage to its predecessor but also enhances performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the 2026 Karmann Ghia offers 2 powertrain options. The base model boasts a rear-wheel drive setup with a 77 km battery, delivering 250 horsepower and 280 lp-ft. This configuration provides a 0-60 mph time of 6.5 seconds and an impressive range of approximately 320 miles. For those seeking enhanced performance, the GTX model features an all-wheel drive system with an 85 kk battery, producing 400 horsepower and 450 lp-ht of torque. This variant accelerates from 0.2 seconds in just 4.2 seconds, with a range of around 290 miles. Both models utilize Volkswagen's latest electric vehicle technology, ensuring a smooth and responsive driving experience. Let's talk interior. Inside, the 2026 Karmann Ghia seamlessly blends retro aesthetics with modern amenities. The cabin features high-quality materials, including leather upholstery and brushed aluminum accents. The dashboard design pays tribute to the original model with its minimalist layout, while integrating a state-of-the-art infotainment system. This system includes a touchscreen interface with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, ensuring drivers stay connected. Additionally, a premium Harman Kardon audio system provides an immersive listening experience. Safety remains a priority in the new Karmann Ghia. Volkswagen has equipped the vehicle with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automated emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. The GTX model further enhances safety with adaptive suspension, offering a sportier yet secure ride. Driving enthusiasts will appreciate the Karmann Ghia's balanced handling and responsive steering. The rear-wheel drive configuration of the base model offers a dynamic driving experience, while the all-wheel drive GTX model provides enhanced traction and stability. The adaptive suspension system in the GTX variant adjusts to road conditions in real time, ensuring optimal comfort and performance. The 2026 Karmann Ghia also emphasizes sustainability. Volkswagen has incorporated eco-friendly materials throughout the vehicle's construction, aligning with the company's commitment to environmental responsibility. The electric powertrains not only reduce emissions but also offer lower operating costs compared to traditional internal combustion engines. In terms of practicality, the Karmann Ghia features a front trunk or frunk, providing additional storage space. The cabin offers comfortable seating for 4, with ample legroom and headroom, making it suitable for both daily commutes and longer journeys. The revival of the Karmann Ghia has generated significant excitement among automotive enthusiasts and the general public alike. Its blend of classic design and modern technology appeals to a wide audience, from nostalgic fans of the original model to new drivers seeking a stylish and efficient electric vehicle. As we reflect on the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, it's evident that this car embodies the perfect fusion of heritage and innovation. Volkswagen has successfully resurrected an icon, adapting it to contemporary needs while preserving its timeless appeal. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the new Karmann Ghia. Does its design resonate with you? Are you excited about its electric powertrain options? Share your opinions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.